If we look underneath here for auth, our description, as we just added, is now displayed in our doc. So we now actually have a summary and we have a description here. And just kind of focusing on the important fields, we won't go into these, but if I look at the responses, there is a section here called schema. And then this is where you'll actually see the docs for the different fields that are returned in the response. And the important one is access token here. So let's see, how can we locate that one? So if we look at, this is the request body, so that's not what we want. We actually want the response. So the 211 created response, which would be the successful one, is indicating the schema would be returned, or the object returned would be an object that conforms to the auth schema. So let's search for that auth schema, because we want to find the access token, which is part of the auth schema. So we can do that by searching directly like this. And if I go underneath that, we can see that this one's missing description. We won't add it now, but let's find the access token. So the access token here is, it's not defined here. It's referring to a separately defined schema. So we need to look at that one as well. So let's copy that one. So you can see you have like multiple references for different different fields for like, this is all for the sake of reducing redundancy and promoting reusability. So access token, that's not the one we want. So we want this one here. Okay, so we have a schema defined in our schema section here. So the Open API has different sections, as you can see here. Security schemas is one of them. So access token, we already have an example here, and that's very typical for things. So let's add a description here. So it's a UUID to access protected resources on behalf of a resource owner.